Just one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's a vlog. We are renovating our sitting room, and me and baby girl can't stay in the house, so we have to go out for a staycation. So I'll be taking you all along with us. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Trinarek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So guys, this is what the sitting room looks like right now. I'm just showing you guys everywhere because it's going to change. So here we are on our way. I've packed everything we need, so we're going. So guys, let's go and have some fun. So keep on watching. To go and fix my spreader lights, and baby girl is with her godmother, my sister. So me did not fix my spreader lights. So let's go.
No move.
PS is working, right?
Maybe I will pick freedom code.
Can I give my number? Because I cannot remember. So far, I'm done with the spreader light office. I came to withdraw some cash because I need to get some things in the supermarket. So far, if you have watched this extent and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please join the family. So here I am. I'm in the supermarket. I came to check out for things for baby girl, and also I got some other stuff that I'll be showing you guys later on in the vlog. So please keep on. So far we're just chilling, and later on we went out to go and stroll and to do sightseeing around my sister's area. Bed. So far I'm good. This was later in the evening, Saturday evening, and it's time to go to bed. Baby girl had some upsetting stomach. She threw up, but right now she's sleeping. And yeah, so me, I'll also go to bed, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Good night. Bye. Yum, 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 yum.
I was born feet in the dust. I built my
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How you guys doing? It's been raining since, I don't know. Happy Sunday. It's raining since 6 or so. Yeah, and it's still raining. It's a rainy Sunday. Just having my tea. Yeah, I'm supposed to go to church too. I was planning to go to church, but rain has spoiled my shoe. We'll see how next Sunday looks like. Yeah, it's raining. So yeah, I don't know what we have plans for today, but I'll take you guys along. See you guys later. See you in our next clip, not later. Next clip. Bye. Raining. Are you poo-pooing? Yeah. Yeah. What happened? You want to sit on the chair? You will fall down, baby. You take her with me, yeah. You take her. So far, as I said earlier, it's been raining. So we're just chilling right now in the house, and we'll also be stepping out to go see my sister because I was chatting up with her in my phone. I was also checking up on my Facebook. If you've not followed me on my Facebook, please do well to follow me. It's same thing as my YouTube name, just Jessica Tronavek, and you find me on my Facebook page. So I was just checking up on my Facebook page, and I'm just chilling and relaxing.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you finding or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well.
So guys, we are about to step out. It has stopped raining, so I'm just checking out the outfit I want to wear, because you know when you come to your elder sister's house, her dress is your dress. So I'm just trying to check out what dresses I'm gonna wear from her closet, and all of them suits me. Like, you know, I didn't carry any clothes and come on. I'm wearing my sister's dresses. Yeah, my elder sister's dresses, because her dress is my dress. So this is what I'm trying to check up on, what kind of dress I'm going to put on, because it's kind of cold. When it starts to rain in Abuja, it's kind of cold, but we still need to slay. So I'm just pairing this brown skirt with this turtleneck top, and I was saying, okay, let me just wear this jacket on top of it because it's kind of cold. And my elder sister was like, no, remove the jacket. I said, I beg, it day cold day. So right now we are on our way to my elder sister's house. I have a lot of sisters. My elder sister's house, she just got a new apartment. We want to go and see it. And yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. More fun things are yet to come, so keep on watching. to go and use this thing. For my house where I live before, because I like it. Which one?
Why are you looking for somebody's house?
Eh?
Why are you looking for somebody's house?
See me to while out. Hello. To go good afternoon. Let me know slippers. Where they go? Eh? Joy. She's coming. I sent her your this thing. Your address. Good morning guys, happy Monday. So we slept over in my sister's place and right now we're going to my other sister's house here. I have a lot of sisters. So right now this was the vino that she got and we're just chilling and cooking and all that. So keep on. All of that don't enter my YouTube today. Ha!
Jesus Christ, let me interview us now. One time. Hello, my name is Doris Uchenna Udogu, and I'm Igbo, Anambra State, Nnewi South, and Amici. Yes, you heard me right, Amici. Cheers to free Monday. And before I forget, we're about to make ukwobi with cow head. It's part of Anambra, or let me just say, let me generalize it. Igbo is one of our most delicate, very, very delicious. Igbo, don't try us. We know how to cook. And I promise you guys, when you test it, you are gonna love it. You come back for more. Period. Complex on the dance.
Chef, what do you say?
Chef.
Don't hide. Don't go. It don't go. It don't go.
My baby, yeah. And then it's when I say I love you. You must be.
No, she's staying. So far, this is my sister. She's a chef and she has featured in my video before when we did abacha together. I don't know if you have seen it. I'm gonna put it somewhere up. So she had an order and it's this isiu. This isiu tastes so amazing. So she just made it and I was like, okay, let me vlog it. So this is what it looks like and we are home. This is the room. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you guys think of the new sitting room. Let me know of the color. Let me know. I'll be reading your comment. Guys, I just got back. Weekend all done. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Turn off the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let me know what you guys think of the new look in the parlor. Let me know. Hi, I'll see you in my next one. So far, this is what my husband cooked too. I was like, this is what you cooked. They say this is what he has been eating. Like this man. Okay guys, so as I said earlier on, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.